This song or rap is named So She Says, and this is for Sierra. Here you go. Listen to my beat, it's coming undone, cause this is the one that's gonna become the greatest. I am the greatest, so she says. She also says my name, Trey, every day, but deep down inside I feel different, cause I only had one parent. She was my mom, she was the coolest, she was the bomb. But now, this girl, Sierra, walks in my life's front door. Now I want more and more of her love and affection, feeling more than a love connection. Yeah, and if I was falling, she would catch me, put me back on my feet, tell me to walk on life's long street. Keep going, boy, you're almost there, she would say. She would give me inspiration every day. Now listen to my beat, it's coming undone, cause this is the one that's gonna become the greatest. Yeah, I am the greatest, so she says, and what she says goes, and everybody knows that she's all mine. So please be kind and step off, nothing better for you than to whack off, cause she's all mine. I have planted my seed, now by my side is all I need to survive. Now I need to thrive for that next meal, so I can keep her alive, maybe just to get that next feel. So she said it was so amazing, she would say it was better than blazing. Yeah, right then and there I stopped and paused, and I noticed I really needed an applause, cause I have saved her from her old life, took her back to these new days, saved her from these old ways.